Well, admittedly, I'm not so good at the 3D printer. I've been maybe working on it off and on for 7 to 8 months now, and my fascination has been drawn to iris boxes. Having a lot of trouble though getting this to print out, layers sticking together, and any number of problems getting the leaves to break loose. So, but I was finally able to stick with it, and I got it to work. Again, heat being a problem with the filament fusing together between the leaves and the shells, the inner shell and the outer shell. Then I had the ring break loose from the inner shell, then the bottom broke out. So many iterations, but I was finally able to get it to work. I think, however, that the main problem was the physical size of it. Let me just get these into. Sorry. I printed this at 50% scale. The blue box is Emmett's iris box. It's not the same as Lobo's, but it's physically about the same size as the one listed here on Thingiverse. So the orange one is Lobo's scaled down to 50%, and again, I think that was the cause for the real challenge. But works pretty good. Actually, didn't tear it up too much. Trying to break things loose. Works fairly free. One thing that I did do is I printed this with a 0.15 nozzle. I figured that that's what it would take to get things fine enough. And again, initial problems, but eventually it printed out, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So the challenge is not in going bigger. The real challenge is, I think, in going smaller. And it was a lot of fun, very frustrating at times. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Good luck to anybody who tries to print smaller iris boxes.